Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today I'm doing a peacock feathered makeup tutorial. So if you have seen feathers before, because I feel like there's a distinction between feathers. Normally if you think of a feather, you have like the stem in the middle and the feathers kind of fan out, making it like more bushy. But with a peacock feather, you have the stem, but the feathers go inwards, creating such a beautiful design with the colors and then how the feathers lay. You can see they're a little bushy, but in an elegant, delicate kind of way. This is the makeup look, and let's get to it. But before I start with the eyeshadow, I want to start with the lipstick because I feel a little naked without it. And I'm just gonna put pink lipstick on. I think that will be cute and work with this makeup look because I think what I want to do is have pink in the center, so they will match. So the first thing that I'll go in with is the W7, the all-rounder in the shade Fling, and the shade looks like so. And I need to sharpen this a little bit. Put it off to the side so that I remember to write it in the description box. Then I want to go in with the lipstick that is from Technic, and it's pink and it doesn't have a name, so this is the shade. And this is why I like lining my lips first. That is so that I can just easily follow the shape already with my lipstick. I don't have to put more effort in with getting this right the first time. Using a lip liner is like putting down the groundwork, and then the lipstick kind of just glides into place. By the way, this is something I always do, and that is after I apply the lipstick, I have a painter's brush that is about this, hold on, that is this big, and I just sharpen the edges and bring it out to the outer corner of my lip, or the outer edge of my lip, and I just take it from the lipstick. That's what I do always, just to make sure that I have a clean line as possible. It just makes it easier. When it comes to the base makeup that I already have on, I can link my everyday makeup up here, which is what I have, because I have a video on that. I have a reddish pinkish blush, then my everyday blush. For those of you who are wondering the blush name, it is today, usually I have like a peachy blush, but today I'm using the Makeup Revolution Blusher Reloaded Rose Kiss, and this is the shade of my blush, for those of you who are wondering. I won't put that one in the description box because this is like extra information for those of you who really like the base. Yeah, so let's get into the colors. I am going to be using green as my outer color and how I basically structure it all. And I'm taking the Essence eyeshadow palette by Merve, and I'm going in with medium green, which is this one on the side right here. You can just pick a medium green if you don't have this makeup palette. It doesn't have to, you do you, you know. And then I will go in with a really, is this the detail brush? Yeah. Then I have this very small painter's brush that is great for details, and you want a small brush like this. This one is from like a European version of a dollar store. It's from a Chinese market in Milan. And painter's brush, don't overlook them when it comes to detail work or your makeup. with this green color, what I want to do is bring it, follow the crease basically, and then bring it down, but have it as a wing essentially. I don't want the wing to be too thick, but it should be a little bit long because of the feathers we will attach later on. Then instead of bringing the green to the lash line on my upper lashes, I will bring it to the lower lashes. That way we bring the look together, but I think I'll bring it about halfway. I think that will be the best. So let's just get into this. now I want to move on to the next color, and for the next two colors I'm taking from the same eyeshadow palette, and it's just pink and blue. So the eyeshadow palette that I'm using is the NYX Ultimate I Know That's Bright, and the first color that I'm going in with is this blue right here. And I'm using the same pencil, but I'm wiping off any excess product. That way I have lipstick on my teeth. That way I don't get green where I want the blue. And I just want to add this as a line on the inside of the green, but I also want to make sure it is along the lash line as well. Then I'm wiping off the brush and going in with pink on the actual, well, whatever's left. So I'm taking the same NYX Ultimate I Know That's Bright, and I'm going in with the pink that is next to the blue. And I'm using the same detail brush because I want to make sure I stay within the lines. I think I want to drag the green to the inner corner of my lower lashes. I will blend it slightly afterwards, just so that it's not a super harsh line. But I think that will complete the look. Because I'm not putting any product on it, I'm gently going to take an Essence Eye Blender brush and just gently blend this, just to make sure it's not super harsh. Then we need to add mascara. So before I do that, I like to curl my lashes, so let's go ahead and do that. Then I'm taking my Maybelline the Colossal mascara that looks like this, and I'm going to put mascara only on the upper lashes because I don't want this to take away from the eyeshadow look itself. Then I just want to pop on a highlighter, and I think I want to go with a cool toned one just because I feel like that will make it pop even more. So I'm taking the NYX Strobe of Genius, and I'm going in with purple. And I like to use a big fluffy brush for the larger parts of my face. I don't know if you can tell the difference. And yeah, you can definitely see this adds a little pop. Wow. Then I like to use a eyeshadow brush for more detailed parts of my face. So bridge of my nose. And I'm gonna dab it right here just because I don't want to ruin the eyeshadow, but I also want a little bit of highlight right here. So slight dab, a little bit of highlight, nothing too crazy. Then I'm going in, ouch. Then I'm going in with a really small brush and just taking that into the inner corner, just a little dab for a little pizzazz, a little bit. And here you have it. No. And then the last thing that I will go in with is some setting spray, and right now I have the W7, the Dewy Fixer. That looks like this. One more thing that I almost forgot about, and that is eyeliner in the waterline. So take a eyeliner. I like to use a twist up one, and this one doesn't have a brand name, and just put that in the outer corner of your lash line just to thicken up, well, make the lashes look thicker and make it as if you have like false lashes on without having false lashes on. But this is also a great way to add just a little oomph to your lashes without taking away from the eyeshadow. I don't know if you can tell the difference between this and that. There's a subtle difference. And here we have it, a peacock feather inspired makeup look. I think it's kind of cool. A little bit more graphic, a little bit more me, I would say, just because I like things that are different. I would definitely love this for a summer party, even though this is February, but also for Carnival. Carnival is this month. You can even add like little rhinestones if you really want to add it to a next level when it comes to Carnival. But definitely you can do with this whatever you want to. I kind of like it as is, really. So that is everything I have for you today, and if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment down below, and if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. And I want to thank all of my subscribers, viewers, people that like, comment, shares my videos. Thank you so much. And if you're new, welcome to this corner of YouTube. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.